Women are expected to know everything. How to do our makeup, skincare, how to date, how to look good in pictures. And then one day someone says pelvic floor and I'm like, sorry, I have what now? Then one of my friends started joking about something called SDSP and said whatever she sneezes, she has to brace or she leaks. And I was like, wait, what? She found the pelvic floor handbook and turned me into it, and honestly, I'm so glad she did. I really did not know much about the pelvic floor until I started hearing my friend talk about it. And what I like about this book is that it explains something a lot of us have heard about, but not fully understand it. And it's good because it explains in a way that is super clear and easy to follow. It really made me think that us women should have been taught this way earlier. So if you have heard about the pelvic floor but never really knew what it was, this is actually a really good book to start it. And you can find it on TikTok Shop or Amazon.